So this is a historic event in the story of Conrad Shipyard. YRBM-57 is our first Navy new build. We commend the extraordinary men and women of Conrad for your dedication and tireless work on YRBM-57. You are a great example of when talent and purpose come together.
First, I want to start out by saying I am absolutely 100% truly honored to be here today to recognize this first of class for Conrad, for the Navy, and to tell the workforce, this matters. And I want you to know that Conrad, I think you guys produced one of the best builder's trials for a shipyard. It's their first time. Conrad has a sterling silver reputation across the board for providing something that, for providing quality and responsiveness as a shipbuilder. So, thank you.